Hello, wonderful people! Welcome to this 15 minutes interval walking workout. We are going to start by walking slow and gentle for 3 minutes and move into 3 minutes of faster walking with strength-focused moves and repeat this for 2 sets. We'll learn about Japanese sumo while we exercise. Today's movements are inspired by traditional sumo training workouts and they are especially great for strengthening your lower body. Let's get started! This is Ryogoku Station in Tokyo, the heart of Japanese sumo culture. This town is home to many small wrestlers, and you can often see them walking around in yukata. Sumo is more than a sport. It's a tradition that carries spiritual meaning in Japan. It has a history of over 1,500 years. Sumo wrestlers join a sumo stable where the master becomes their teacher. They live and train together, following a lifestyle rooted in tradition and discipline. Each stable is run by the stable master, and his wife, known as Okami-san, supports the wrestlers in their daily lives. A sumo wrestler's daily routine is designated to build a large, strong body. They eat 2 meals a day and get plenty of rest. They eat chanko nabe to get the nutrition they need. Chanko has meat or fish, tofu, and lots of vegetables. This movement is inspired by shiko, a traditional sumo exercise. You lift one leg high at a time and firmly stomp it down to the ground. Shiko is also believed to purify the ground before a sumo match. Despite their size, sumo wrestlers are highly muscular and extremely flexible. Sumo wrestlers throw salt before a match to clean and purify the ring. In Japan, salt has been believed to have the power to keep away negative energy. Before a match, sumo wrestlers also rinse their mouths with chikaramizu or power water as a purification ritual, symbolically passing on good luck and strength. The rule of sumo is very simple. A wrestler wins by forcing the other wrestler out of the ring or making them touch the ground. Wrestlers may use their palms and fingers, but kicking is not allowed. Sumo has no weight classes, and wrestlers use techniques like pushing, throwing, and slapping. Grand Sumo tournaments are held 6 times a year in odd-numbered months. They take place over 15 consecutive days in 4 cities: Tokyo, Osaka, Aichi, and Fukuoka. The sumo ring called dohyo is a traditional arena formed by 20 bundles of straw. The dohyo is built with a special clay called arakira, which has a good balance of firmness and softness with a fine texture. The dohyo is believed to be home to the gods. Before each tournament, a traditional ceremony is held to bless the ring, and symbolic offerings are buried under its center. Women are still not allowed on a sumo ring. This rule comes from Shinto tradition, where sumo began as a ritual for the gods. While it is often explained as keeping tradition, it is also criticized today as gender discrimination. Sumo has a ranking system. The highest ranks are yokozuna and ozeki. Wrestlers are divided into 6 levels with 10 total ranks. They compete in 6 tournaments each year, and their results decide whether they move up or down. Sumo wrestlers wear a belt called mawashi. It's a strong belt about 10 meters long, made of thick cotton or silk, and wrapped tightly around the waist. Lower-ranked wrestlers wear black belts, while higher-ranked wrestlers wear white or colorful ones. Sumo wrestlers place codes called sagari at the front of the belt. They are used for appearance and protection. The number of codes depends on a wrestler's size, usually around 19. An odd number is always used because even numbers are considered unlucky. Sumo is Japan's national sport, but many wrestlers come from overseas, such as Mongolia, Hawaii, Brazil, and Europe. In 1993, Akebono from Hawaii became yokozuna, the highest rank in sumo. Since then, 7 foreign yokozuna have followed. The traditional hairstyle of sumo wrestlers is called mage. There are 2 main hairstyles. One is the everyday style called chonmage. The other is oicho, worn by top-ranked wrestlers during official tournaments. The oicho is a symbol of pride for top-ranked wrestlers, and it is cut off during the retirement ceremony. A yokozuna is expected to show not only strength but also dignity. Bad behavior can lead to criticism from both officials and the public. This is because sumo is Japan's national sport and yokozuna represents its traditions. The roof above the sumo ring has 4 colored tassels: blue, red, white, and black. They represent the 4 seasons and are meant to protect the ring and pray for a good harvest. A sumo match begins when both wrestlers move at the same moment. There is no signal. If the timing doesn't match, they start again. When 2 wrestlers squat down and face each other, it is called sonkyo. This posture is also a gesture of respect toward one another. Spreading both hands to the sides and showing the palms means wrestler is unarmed. It is a promise to fight fairly using only their bare hands. Sumo has a long history. When samurai ruled Japan hundreds of years ago, sumo began to be used as combat training. Even a famous leader named Oda Nobunaga was known to enjoy sumo. Later, during the Edo period, sumo became popular entertainment for the public. People began to practice sumo as a full-time profession. You don't need to know all the rules to enjoy sumo. Let me introduce 3 key things to watch for. Many sumo wrestlers weigh over 300 pounds, and they collide with full force. The impact is so powerful and the sound is intense. Watching a sumo match live would be an incredible experience. Because sumo has no weight classes, wrestler weighing over 400 pounds may face an opponent who weighs only half their weight. Smaller wrestlers often rely on speed and technique to defeat bigger opponents. This contrast is one of the most exciting parts of sumo. Sumo began as a ritual to pray for a good harvest, and that history is still visible today. Movements like shiko and throwing salts all have special meanings. By understanding these actions, you can experience Japanese history and culture through sumo. Sumo wrestlers consume around 8,000 to 10,000 calories to build and maintain their large bodies. They eat only 2 meals a day on purpose. The long gap between meals makes the body store more fat. That's great if you want to get bigger. But if your goal is to lose weight, this style of eating can actually work against you. Many people do better with 3 balanced meals a day rather than long gaps without food. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about Japanese sumo culture. Thank you so much for walking with KeikoFlex. I'll see you again next time.